Welcome back, Chart Addicts. Make sure to click like and subscribe for more amazing content. If you haven't already grabbed your tickets to the FX Summit 2022 conference, make sure to grab them in the link below. Grab your tickets before they sell out. See you there.
What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to another Trade of the Week. This week, I ended up looking for AUDCAD shorts during our Asian to London overview on Wednesday. The reason we were looking to sell this position is because every time we've tested this trend line, we've gotten some bearish reaction. So we were betting if price maintained below 92750, we can anticipate a bearish run. So price ended up rejecting around 92750. And if you guys missed the call, we did end up posting a recording under the recordings tab. And within 24 hours, we were up 100 pips. So it's looking really nice the way it's closing. And I definitely see it coming down to 912 if we clear this area here. All right. The reason I say that is because it's looking like it could potentially form a lovely inverted head and shoulders. And it could be a good opportunity to take it right back up.
All right. I'm entering a small short position right now. Alrighty. I'm in for the shorts.
Same here.
All right. I'm in some profits, like some instant blues. So I'm going to close some of those just so I can close some in blues and then hold the rest of this trade. If it ends up just wicking up really, really hard, then I'm going to close the shorts and then I'll reverse and enter buy positions. But for now, I'm in some baby profits. So what I can do is just like take some blues off the table. I'm still holding because it hasn't closed above yet. But, you know, the way that it's looking now, it's pretty aggressive on the bullish side.
Okay, you did not scope, bro. You did not scope, bro. I trust you.
Oh, man. I love that goat shit. But really, bro, it's just about patience. The only reason that I make money in this market is because I'm willing to hold. I'm willing to hold through the discomfort. If I make money right now, it's not because I'm special. It's not because I'm better than anybody. It's because somebody here closed early because they saw red, and me and Stefano entered a few positions. It's the only difference because your boy was in some DD earlier, and now we in some blue blues, baby.
Fucking go. Stop playing.
Y'all see this, or is it just me?
Stop playing. 2 trades today, gold and that.
Roy just broke out the pre-quarter on the market.
I'm booking right now.
Same. I'm literally booking not all of my positions except for one. I'm going to hold one of the positions.
Mr. Roy Dunia, thank you very much.
Pretty nice wick rejections right here. Boom. And then essentially this candle right here is what gave me the signal. The next candle gave me the confirmation. So I decided to enter the market via limit. And I set a pending order at 1805. I did have a conservative stop loss of, roughly 70 pips. So, and I woke up with that order closed and in red. So we take a look at this, this nice impulsive move to the upside. We can say that we are doing a massive deep correction to the lower points in the market. I do expect some reaction at this area in particular, 78.6, which is roughly at 1792. I think prices can actually reverse at that point. I would love to take another buy opportunity there, but only if I see rejection there. Let me see. We have sort of a trend line here, right? But we broke the trend line. So we got to be very cautious about this one because chances are the market can break below it and, keep on melting given that we have such momentum. So at this point in particular, I would like perhaps to wait for a pullback to, a previous support and then show the market down here to the 78.6. As soon as that alert triggers in, we'll see, one of your brings to the table. If indeed we break below it, then, prices can potentially melt to the next level. We also have this sort of zone right here, not just this wicks, but we also have this zone right here. So I want to also set an alert there at roughly, let me see what area is this. I think it should be 1790. We have 1786. So we can come back down here, retest this area, and essentially push up. Okay, so that's what I got on gold.
All right, welcome, Chart Addicts, and we are doing a recap of the trades of the week, the ones that we took during the week. And I want to start with this first trade, the 1792 entry area. We took this trade. We were looking during London session on the 20, I wouldn't say the 29th, right? On the 29th, we're looking during London session. We got up early, and then we came from a lesson earned that We took a loan right here at this support area, thinking that the market was going to reject, but didn't. Instead, the market came back down here, as explained on the Zoom call, and then we're looking for entries at the 1792. During New York, we had that volatility. Prices came back down to 1792. Let's go ahead and run it with that nice strong candle right here. So what I saw was I had an alert set up here. I saw the prices broke below it, and then once my alert was triggered, then I was looking at the market, and as soon as the prices were pushing up on a smaller time frame, I decided to take the trade at 1792. And this is what happened. That was the first candle. I booked my profits right there. My partials and my stops were a break even. We were targeting this previous support area that can potentially hold as resistance. So the market went up, hit our TP, and essentially we saw some reaction right there. Boom. All right. So that was the first trade of that we took on gold. Well, no, actually the second trade that we took on gold during that session after that loss that we had. Really nice trade. Nothing else, nothing not significant, pretty much of a structured trade area. We did use a Fibonacci on this one. And we had some sort of reaction at 1792 at the 78.6 area. So pretty nice trade.